we're keeping it simple. Here's everything you need: 2 medium-sized potatoes, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, adjust based on your garlic preference, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, that's Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar for sweetness, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil for frying, optional, sesame seeds and chopped green onions for garnish, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or flour, optional for extra crispiness. These ingredients give the potatoes that signature Korean flavor, spicy, sweet, and savory all at once. If you don't have gochujang, don't worry. You can substitute it with another chili paste or even sriracha for a different twist. Let's start prepping the potatoes. First, peel and wash your 2 potatoes. You can leave the skin on for a rustic look, but peeling them will give a smoother texture. Cut the potatoes into bite-sized cubes, about 1 inch thick. They should be small enough to cook quickly, but large enough to hold their shape. Here's a little trick: if you want the potatoes to be extra crispy, soak the cubes in cold water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps remove some starch, which will make them fry up crispier. Once they've soaked, drain the water and pat them dry with a paper towel. Next, we're frying the potatoes to achieve that beautiful golden brown, crispy texture. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the potato cubes in a single layer. If your pan is small, you might need to do this in batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook the potatoes for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally so all sides get crispy and golden. If you want them even crispier, coat them lightly in cornstarch or flour before frying. This adds an extra crunchy layer, which is always a win. While they fry, season them with a little salt and pepper to bring out their natural flavor. Once they're golden and crispy, remove them from the pan and place them on a plate lined with a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Now for the fun part: making that delicious chili garlic sauce that will coat the potatoes. In the same pan, reduce the heat to low and add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Toss in the minced garlic, about 4 to 5 cloves. Stir the garlic frequently to prevent it from burning. We want it to turn golden and fragrant, which should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add 1 tablespoon of gochujang to the pan. If you love heat, feel free to add more. Stir the gochujang with the garlic until they're well combined. The aroma will be incredible. To balance the spice, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar. This gives the sauce that sweet, savory, slightly sticky texture that makes this dish irresistible. Stir everything together until smooth and glossy. If it looks too thick, add a tablespoon of water to thin it out slightly. Once your sauce is ready, it's time to coat the potatoes. Add the fried potatoes back into the pan with the sauce. Gently toss them until every potato cube is coated in that beautiful chili garlic mixture. Let them cook for a couple of minutes to allow the flavors to meld. As the potatoes absorb the sauce, the flavors will come together, giving you that perfect combination of spicy, sweet, and garlicky goodness. Now that the potatoes are coated, let's add the finishing touches. Sprinkle some sesame seeds over the top for a little crunch and toss in chopped green onions for a fresh pop of color and flavor. These garnishes elevate the dish and make it look as good as it tastes. Serve them hot as a snack, a side dish, or even as part of a larger meal. They're crispy, spicy, and totally addictive. Now that we've made the classic version, here are a few variations you can try. Cheesy version. Add shredded mozzarella in the last minute of cooking for a cheesy twist. Extra veggies. Add bell peppers, zucchini, or mushrooms sautéed with the garlic for a heartier dish. Less spicy. Reduce the gochujang or replace it with a milder chili sauce to suit your taste. And that's it. You've just made the trending chili garlic Korean potatoes with only 2 potatoes. It's a quick and flavorful recipe sure to impress. I hope you give this a try at home. If you do, let me know how it turned out in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trendy and delicious recipes. See you next time, and happy cooking!